All right, you guys, today we are doing a really fun recreation video. Let's do it. This is from Amazon. This is not a vintage Denise Austin. This is the video. I sliced together all the moves that we're redoing just to make sure we can do it behind the camera, a little choreographed movement here. And we have my two girls, Hannah and Jordan. Yeah.
Or at least be kind of centered on that tee, and then you can get right in this world. We'll walk you guys in once we get eyes on it.
This is so fun.
Take one, Mark.
Step touch. Just like that. Keeping up that stamina. You got this. Step touch, pump it up. Here we go. That was scene 2. Now we have scene 1 and 3 next. Huge day at work. Oh my God, 3 scenes. Because it's supposed to be like 90s. Yeah. So I brought like a 90s fit. This leotard with these shorts.
Yeah.
And then like maybe that windbreaker jacket.
Celebrity smoothie for the celebrity, please.
Isaac needs a celebrity smoothie because he is one. Who does he think he is?
Unbelievable.
I'm the talent.
Outfit 3.
Outfit 4, actually. I should have brought my mom's like vintage stuff. I just didn't. I just got everything off Amazon. I should have brought the real deal.
You doing the workout part is way less intense here. It's really just to get like a little bit of your movement in the foreground of the shot of the TV.
We call this type of shoot scrappy. Scrappy but not crappy. I like that. Now we are filming the intro, aka scene 1, and I'm gonna be using this vintage phone to be on the phone with my friend saying, pregnancy workouts are just so hard these days. Like right when I turn it on, it should start, and then I'll step back, and you can cut when it's just like
this. Because I think it's pretty obvious what it is, but her saying that really just sells it. It's like
totally. Pregnancy workouts have just been really hard on me lately. I'm gonna try this new one though. I'll call you back later. Obsessed. Oh my God, can you more?
Rolling, and you can just bring your hand out.
I love it. It's so good. Yeah, it's great. We just did the fun recreation shoot. We did this outfit, and we also did like a fun pregnancy coming soon shoot. I'm really excited for you guys to see it, and that's a wrap. Pregnancy workouts have just been so hard. I'm gonna try this new tape though. I'll call you back later.
Okay, let's begin marching in place. Do the up and down. You're welcome to relax. Drop them down.
You're doing amazing. Pump it up. Whoa, that was a good workout.